Hello guys, welcome to Always a Learner. We believe in good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. So guys, welcome to the whole new fresh episode of Tech Intimation. We are here with some latest tech news. So let's get started. So the first update that we have is from Fitbit. Fitbit Sense ECG app get regulatory approval. Fitbit conducted a multi-site clinical trial in regions across US as part of submission process to regulatory agencies. According to the press release by Fitbit, the study demonstrated the ECG app's ability to detect 98.7% of AFib cases and was 100% accurate in identifying study participants with normal sinus rhythm. Fitbit Sense is priced at 34,999 rupees in India and will be available in India in the fourth quarter of 2020. The ECG app will be available in October 2020. The next update that we have is about HP Omen wireless earphones and a new keyboard by HP. HP Omen frequency wireless headset delivers up to 30 hours of battery life and comes with a USB-C charging port. It has an environmental noise cancelling microphone that comes with a flip to mute feature. The headset also features removable earbuds and rotating ear cups and suspension band and rotating volume controls situated on the ear cap. Along with this, Omen Space Wireless TKL keyboard is also launched, featuring 75% of play on a single charge and set to provide 6 hours of battery life in 5 minutes of charging. The keyboard can be used in wireless or wired modes. Talking about the price, the keyboard is priced at $159 and headsets are priced at $169. At number 3, we have updates from HP. HP is planning to launch a new foldable smartphone. The patents are leaked online. The smartphone is reported with a clamshell design which is similar to the Motorola Moto Razr 2019. HP already announced phones in the market. The last smartphone by HP was HP Elite X3, launched in 2016. Now let's see when HP officially announced the device to the world and at what price, and if it will be able to compete with already available foldable phones in the market. At number 4, we have news from Vi. Vodafone Idea announced the launch of GigaNet, which it claims the first kind spectrum refarming exercise in the world. Vi GigaNet is India's largest integration that has been done through a spectrum refarming exercise and has been completed in a record time. The network integration operation can seemingly help Vi address concerns regarding its overall network quality. Next update that we have is from Vivo. Vivo smartwatch design has been leaked online and more specifications are revealed. It is expected to offer 42mm and 46mm dial variants. The launch is already teased to be on September 22. The watch is expected with features like calorie detection, independent music playback, blood oxygen detection, and so on. Let's see what officially watch packs and at what price will be available. Listing further, we have updates from Dish TV. It's really very good news for every Indian. Dish TV has announced it has shifted the production of its set-top boxes to India. The company says this demonstrates its commitment to the government's Make in India initiative. The first consignment is also showed up through a press release. Make in India initiative is getting pace day by day. Press the like button if you're really happy on this news and comment Jai Hind in the comment section. The next update that we have is about Spotify criticizing Apple One subscription services. We all know Apple One subscription services were launched by Apple yesterday on the event, and now Spotify criticized the Apple One services bundle on antitrust ground. Spotify said that we call on competition authorities to act urgently to restrict Apple's anti-competitive behavior, which if left unchecked will cause irreparable harm to the developer community and threaten our collective freedoms to listen, learn, create and connect. In a statement, Apple said the bundle was aimed at existing users of its services and that customers can discover and enjoy alternatives to every Apple services. The Apple One service bundle is priced at $15 per month. Now let's see what will be further action on this. Next update that we have is from Apple. Apple got a new patent which allows it to make a new smart case that will detect motion and can change material composition. The case will use electromechanical material, and when detects a fall, the case will harden itself automatically. This approach by Apple will help you protect your iPhones. Let's see if and when Apple officially announces this smart case. So the last update that we have is from Apple. Apple held a launch event on September 15 at 10:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, launching new affordable Watch SE, Apple Watch Series 6, iPad Air and iPad 8th generation. Apple also announced the new services like Apple One Service Bundle and Apple Fitness Plus. We already uploaded a video related to this. You can check it out on our channel. Everything is explained in the video. The link is in the description. Go and watch the video and comment. So guys, that's all for today. We hope you really enjoyed the video. Please like this video and share it with your family and friends. Please comment your views in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more such videos and press the bell icon to get notified for the new one. Your support is incredible. Thank you for watching. Never forget to smile.